Okay, so now let's talk about data centers. In the previous video, we looked at what servers are and their role they play in the digital world. Now, in ending the video, we asked where these servers live, and we also got to establish that they are not found on our desks in our offices or neither in our living rooms. So servers live in data centers. So a data center is basically a facility that is designed to house servers and the equipment that keeps them running. So think of it as a home of the internet or the home of all the applications that we use all over the world, right? Now, in a data center, you will find obviously servers, storage devices, network devices like the routers, switches, and then the hubs. You are going to find cooling equipment, and you are also going to get backup power systems that keep things running even if there is an outage, right? So I added some pictures of data centers and how they look, so you can see that they are very massive and they house things, hundreds to thousands of servers. Now, data centers can be very big, right, to serve millions of people, or smaller, and they can be built for one company's internal needs. But the idea is still the same. It's basically a dedicated place to keep technology running smoothly, right? Now, here's the thing. Running one application in one server on one server isn't efficient use or optimum use of that server. Okay, so imagine having a powerful server that is only used at just 20% or even 10% of its capacity, whilst the rest of its capacity just sits idle, right? That is more of wastage. So this is where a popular concept which cloud computing is built on comes in. It's a technology that allows us to run multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. And we are going to look at that in the next video. So if you found this video on data centers helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video so that other people could also learn from it. The name is TheKloudWiz, and I'll see you in the next video.